What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a true American classic, the 1960s Chevrolet Nova, and not just any Nova, but a sleek, blacked-out example that perfectly captures the raw energy of vintage muscle. The Nova is one of those cars that doesn't always scream for attention the way some other 60s legends do, but real enthusiasts know just how special it is. Compact, lightweight, and available with serious V8 power, the Nova became a street icon. And in black. It looks absolutely menacing, clean, aggressive, and timeless. So today, we're going to break it all down: the exterior styling, the interior design, the performance options, how it feels to drive, and what you can expect to pay if you want one in today's market. Starting with the exterior, the 1960s Chevrolet Nova has a design that's simple but incredibly bold. By the mid to late 60s, the Nova had evolved into a sharp, squared-off compact muscle car with clean lines and strong proportions. At the front, you'll notice the classic dual-round headlights paired with a straightforward grille design. There's no excessive chrome overload, just enough to contrast beautifully against the deep black paint. That glossy black finish transforms the Nova's personality. It gives it a stealthy, almost sinister presence on the road. The hood stretches out confidently, especially on V8-equipped models where that power bulge hints at what's underneath. From the side, the Nova's compact proportions are one of its biggest strengths. It's smaller than many other muscle cars of the era, which actually makes it look tighter and more aggressive. The two-door coupe design is the most desirable. The pillar lines are clean, the roofline flows smoothly into the rear deck, and those subtle rear fender flares give it a muscular stance without being overdone. Add some classic chrome wheels or rally wheels, and this black Nova becomes an absolute head-turner. At the back, the rectangular tail lights and chrome bumper finish the design in pure 60s fashion. No giant spoilers. No dramatic diffusers. Just clean, timeless American muscle styling. Interior. Stepping inside, the interior of the 1960s Nova is beautifully simple. This was a driver's car, not a luxury cruiser. And that's exactly what makes it so charming. Most black exterior models were paired with black vinyl interiors, creating a full monochrome look that feels cohesive and classic. Depending on the trim level, you could get either a front bench seat or individual bucket seats. Enthusiasts often prefer the bucket seats, especially if paired with a floor-mounted shifter. The dashboard layout is clean and horizontal. Analog gauges sit directly in front of the driver: speedometer, fuel gauge, temperature, all mechanical and straightforward. There are no touchscreens, no driver assistance systems, and no distractions. Just you, the steering wheel, and the road ahead. The steering wheel itself is large and thin-rimmed, typical of the era. It gives you that authentic vintage driving feel. Chrome accents around the gauge cluster and radio add just enough visual interest without feeling flashy. Space-wise, the Nova is compact, but it's practical. The rear seats can accommodate passengers for shorter trips, and the trunk is surprisingly spacious for a car of this size. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast: performance. One of the reasons the 1960s Chevrolet Nova became so popular is the wide range of engine options. Early models offered inline-4 and inline-6 engines for economy and everyday usability. But the real magic happens when you step into V8 territory. Small block V8 engines like the 283 cubic inch, 327 cubic inch, and later the 350 cubic inch transformed the Nova into a true muscle machine. Depending on the configuration, horsepower figures ranged from around 275 horsepower to well over 300 horsepower. And remember, this car is lighter than many other muscle cars of its time. That means the power-to-weight ratio is impressive. A properly equipped V8 Nova could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6 to 7 seconds, which was extremely quick for the 1960s. Transmission options included 3-speed manuals, 4-speed manuals, and automatic gearboxes. The 4-speed manual is the enthusiast's dream setup. Shifting through the gears while hearing that V8 rumble through dual exhausts is an unforgettable experience. driving the Nova feels raw and mechanical. Steering is heavier compared to modern cars. Braking requires more effort. But that's part of the appeal. You feel connected to the machine in a way that modern vehicles just don't replicate. Behind the wheel of a black 1960s Nova, you feel like you've stepped into another era. The long hood stretches ahead, the engine vibration travels through the chassis, and every press of the throttle reminds you that this is a true analog driving experience. The sound of the V8 is deep and aggressive. It's not artificially enhanced, it's pure combustion. At idle, it rumbles confidently. Under acceleration, it roars with authority. Because of its compact size, the Nova feels more agile than larger muscle cars. It's easier to maneuver, and it feels lighter on its feet. That combination of compact dimensions and serious V8 power is exactly why these cars became street legends. And let's be honest, in black, it looks absolutely intimidating rolling down the road or pulling into a car meet. Prices. Now, what does it cost to own one of these icons today? Prices vary widely depending on condition, originality, engine choice, and whether it's an authentic super sport model. A basic 6-cylinder Nova in decent, drivable condition might start around $15,000 to $20,000. Step up to a clean V8 model, and you're typically looking at $30,000 to $45,000. If you find a fully restored, numbers-matching V8 Super Sport in excellent condition, especially in black, prices can exceed $50,000 or even more depending on rarity and documentation. Modified Restomod versions with upgraded suspension, modern brakes, and crate engines can also command strong money, particularly if the build quality is high. As always with classic cars, condition is everything. Rust, originality, and proper documentation play a huge role in determining value. The 1960s Chevrolet Nova proves that you don't have to be the biggest or flashiest muscle car to become legendary. Its compact size, powerful engine options, and timeless design have earned it a permanent place in American automotive history. In black, it transforms into something even more special, sleek, aggressive, and undeniably cool. It's a car that demands respect, delivers excitement, and connects you directly to the golden age of muscle. If you're thinking about adding one to your collection, do your research, inspect carefully, and find the best example you can afford. Because once you own a classic Nova, you're not just driving a car, you're driving a piece of history. If you enjoyed this long review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car content. Let me know in the comments, would you keep it fully original, or would you build a modern Restomod version? I'll see you in the next one. Stay passionate and keep those engines roaring.